In this video I'm going to show you how to hide your IP address from trackers on Safari browser. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and there scroll all the way down until you find Safari. Now here scroll down until you find privacy and security box, and there you have to find hide IP address. There this option is now set to off, but you can switch it to from trackers, so from now your IP address will be hidden from different trackers, and that's all about how to hide your IP address from trackers on Safari browser. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.